Welcome to Hot Wheels for You.
Hot Wheels for You. Race time.
Hi, and welcome to the Hot Wheels for You Stars and Stripes Independence Day race held on July 4th, 2021. This race features 9 cars from the Hot Wheels 2019 Stars and Stripes series 10-car set. Car number 8 is MIA and won't be in today's competition. The Hot Wheels Stars and Stripes series cars feature red, white, and blue markings modeled after our amazing flag. The cars featured in this race are the AMC Javelin AMX, the 71 Plymouth Hemi-Cuda, the 64 Pontiac GTO, the 68 Hemi Barracuda, the Chevy Blazer 4x4, the 68 Chevy El Camino, the 70 Chevy Camaro, the 68 Superstock Hemi Barracuda, and the 68 Mercury Cougar. Race number 1 will feature the first 5 cars in the set, and race number 2 will feature the remaining 4 cars. The winner of race 1 will go on to compete against the winner of race 2 to decide who will be the champion of this event. So let's move on to race 1.
Hot Wheels racers, pick your lane!
The first 5 cars are now lined up and ready for race 1. Start the race, Mac.
Ready, set, go.
The Chevy Blazer is first out of the starting gate, but the Javelin AMX shifts into high gear and takes the lead. He doesn't seem to be having any trouble maintaining that lead. The cars now approach the finish gate. And race number 1 goes to the AMC Javelin AMX. Let's take a look at that finish again. And it's a solid win for the Javelin AMX. On to race number 2. Start the race, Mac.
Ready, set, go.
And the Mercury Cougar takes the lead out of the starting gate. But wait, the El Camino is not having it and puts the hammer down. The Mercury Cougar has now lost the lead to the Chevy El Camino. And race number 2 goes to the El Camino. The Chevy El Camino will now move on to the final race against the AMC Javelin AMX. Here's an instant replay. And now for the final race to decide the Stars and Stripes champion. Start the race, Mac.
Ready, set, go.
Both cars come out of the starting gate in a dead heat, but the El Camino is creeping ahead. The AMX pours it on in an attempt to take the lead, but can he hold it? Yes, he can. The Javelin AMX is really moving.
Winner! Lane 4!
And the AMC Javelin AMX is the new Stars and Stripes Racing Champion. Let's take another look at that win. And it's a solid win for the Javelin AMX. Well, that's it for now. Stay tuned to Hot Wheels for You for more exciting Hot Wheels races.